How to save an image with a transparent background in Photoshop. Let's get into it. To get started, we need to remove the background of our image. We can do this by simply clicking on this remove background button right here, and Photoshop will take care of the rest. With that complete, we then need to come up to File, Save As, locate an area on your computer where you want to save this to, and then come down to the formatting options and choose Save a Copy. This is going to open up another window. Choose Format as PNG, and then choose Save. Here you can choose between a large file, medium file or small file. If you're working with online mediums, for example email or social media, you may want to go with the smallest file size possible, but that will make it a little bit slower to save. All we need to do now is choose OK. This is going to save your image with a transparent background. And if we take a look at our Finder window, we can see that we have our before with the background and then our after with the background removed, and it is now a transparent image. And that's all there is to it.